好開心識到啲印尼朋友。Thank you, see you, see you, bye bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your cake. Bye bye. 嚟到居水馬龍嘅旺角中心，喺入邊食 pancake， 仲要係印尼嘅班蘭 pancake。上到嚟旺角中心9曲13彎，真係有啲似迷宮。不過有個 corner 入邊有好多地道小食，就喺呢度。我哋嚟到呢度專門食印尼嘅 pancake， 順便問下旁邊個印尼朋友有咩好介紹。
Yes, pandan.
Oh, okay. Thank you, thank you. 佢話俾我知呢間原來喺印尼好出名 No.1 專食 pancake。我哋兩個人淨係要咗一款，不過臨尾喜出望外。呢間 pancake 係即叫即整，絕對唔係翻熱嘅 pancake， 所以俾少少耐性啊！呢個位係冇得坐，不過有2張企台，大家都可以喺度食嘢。Okay. Oh, this is yours. Look very really. What is the taste?
Chocolate, peanut, and cheese.
Oh, if you don't mind, we share. That's good. Thank you, thank you. 食埋，呢個食埋，呢個 we share。真係開心啊！見到印尼朋友一齊分享。Very good。我哋嗰個就係班蘭芝士同粟米粒，而印尼朋友嗰個就係朱古力花生，好香喎！芝士粟米班蘭個面就啱啱好，焦黃啡啡。I use your hands. Thank you. 我好唔客氣就黐咗隔離嗰個葱油餅嚟食，佢半煎炸炸到個皮好香，入面有啲類似係葱，跟住鋪咗一啲雞肉，好香口，好好食。中意我哋介紹呢啲獨特小食嘅，留言分享，拜拜。